YouTube, what's going on with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, man. Welcoming y'all to the channel. Welcome back. I appreciate y'all for still rocking with your boy, man. It's all love, baby. Now, I got something special, something that I had back in the day. This is my JV basketball sneaker, my middle school and JV basketball sneaker. But I'm excited to show y'all. But before we get into it, if you're new over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy as we are on the way to 3K. Hey man, I'm trying to hit 5K by the end of the year. So I need all y'all help, man. So y'all make sure if this is your first time over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And for all my day ones, hey, just welcome back, man. Y'all know how we get down over here, man. This is Great Nation, you know, GOAT, greatest of all time. Shout out to Tom Brady. Great Nation, that's what it's called over here. So smash that button so you can become a part of Great Nation. Now I ain't gonna bore y'all because this is a double unboxing, man. Like I said, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, we got one of them things. Oh, and here go the other one, baby. So we got two unboxings, like I said. Now, I don't know if my hoodie gave it away, but these packages did come from Adidas, so shout out to Adidas. Let y'all see that since everybody think I'm fugazing now for some reason, but this is an Adidas box, and I ain't gonna show y'all this one. This one, it got my name and my address on it, but yeah, I'm gonna show it to you, man. That's an Adidas upside down logo. So let's go ahead and open these things, man. I just used those to ship stuff out. But boy, here we have it. We got, oh Lord, two T-Mac logos. T-Mac. Let y'all see that, man. Tracy McGrady, one of the best scorers of all time in the NBA. Now, quick little basketball lesson for all the youngins. Y'all may see T-Mac on ESPN, The Jump and all that. Now, T-Mac, back in the day, T-Mac was Kevin Durant before Kevin Durant. I mean, T-Mac was a 6'9", 6'10", two guard. I'm talking about filthy scoring. Like, y'all wouldn't understand, man. Like Fab say, man, it was one of them things where you just had to be there, man. T-Mac don't get the love he deserved. T-Mac is one of my favorite players of all time. Y'all know Kobe's #1. MJ, I put Allen Iverson in there. T-Mac, Vince Carter, Dirk. Like back in my era, you know, back when I was, you know, along the lines of a preteen teenager, you know. Those are my squads right there. T-Mac is on that list, in my opinion. And as two guards, I know T-Mac was more along the 3. He played a little bit of the 2, but I think T-Mac was a better player than D-Wade. But that's an argument for another day, man. Y'all ain't here for a basketball lesson. Now, I'm gonna read these box labels to y'all, read these tag labels. Now, it reads T-Mac 2 Restamod. I looked it up. Restamod stands for Restored Model. So this is along the lines of the Kobe Protro. We know the Kobe Protro is like a restored model of the Kobe's from back in the day. The first one is a 12.5. I remember back in the day when I had these, I had to get a 13. I didn't want a 13, but I remember these fitting tight. And in one colorway, I had to get a size 12 because they didn't have a 12.5 and I didn't want the 13. But you know, your boy gonna thug it out. I ain't gonna wear these every day. These gonna be like specifically for when I'm in the gym coaching and everything. Let's see, I'm gonna let y'all see the tags. Ooh, woo. Size 12.5. Man, I'm loving how they did the T-Mac box now, man. And I wish Adidas would go ahead and retro all their models. Like, I like the James Hardens and the Damian Lillards, but they all look alike, man. Let y'all see that one. All right, let's open these bad boys on up. Ooh, I'm excited. I haven't had these since middle school and JV, man. That's crazy. Ooh, and this, I ain't both of them. Ooh, we got that white. Ooh, that white clean. We got the home and away versions. Oh man, bruh, when I tell y'all I'm excited about these, we got the white joints, the cloud white, and then we got the black and royal blue. I had both colorways. I think back in the day they were like $89, so my mom, she ended up buying me both pairs. I know I was the water boy for the varsity team. I know the varsity played in the state championship in these. I think, no, it might have been the T-Mac ones. Those guys played against Raymond Felton. And for some reason, I don't know why we had black and royal blue when my high school colors are Carolina blue and white. And then they just added the black. But man, let's go ahead and get into details of these sneakers. So the T-Mac 2 was originally released in November of 2002. And that was the 02-03 season. And that was the season where T-Mac actually won a scoring title. He averaged like, I think it was 32 points a game, if I'm mistaken. I know Grant Hill had gotten hurt and he was playing with Horace Grant and a young Mike Miller. Bruh, T-Mac was getting off that year. Like, it was crazy. T-Mac, you know, we talk about Kobe, I talk about Kobe a lot, but Kobe was like 1A and T-Mac was like 1B. He just never had the teams like Kobe had and all that, man. But T-Mac was definitely up. Now getting into some of the details with the sneaker, starting with the outsole. The outsole does have the torsion system. So the torsion system was supposed to, I think it was like Nike Zoom back in the day. I know it had the bounce and the Adidas. I don't think these have Adidas on it. Yeah, it has bounce. So bounce and the torsion system is something like Nike Zoom system. Now these are very comfortable. They fit snug, but it's a very comfortable sneaker. Show y'all the white one, and then with the black one. Now they both have excellent leather on these. And like I said in all my videos, I know we always talking about shattered backboard leather quality. Man, the upper on these things, this is pure Angus cow beef. Like, the Angus cow must have been kind of slow or something. He must be what processed for eating purposes. So they had to put that bad boy up on a sneaker on that. Man, that leather is crazy, dog. But they kept everything pretty much OG. Like where this bounce is right here, where this bounce is right here. I know that was Adidas. I haven't had an Adidas basketball sneaker since these. I had the T-Mac 3s as well. So I say since about 03. Bruh. They were amazing, man. They pretty much kept everything the same, man. With the sock liner and all that, with the T-Mac logo up along the sock liner, like the design, everything still looks the same. We got the Adidas logo on the tongue and on the back. And my favorite detail with this sneaker are the 5 stripes coming along the midsole of it. It's coming into the midsole to the toe cap. To me, that was the greatest design. And I think these were ahead of its time back in 02, man. I know in 02, like I said, they retail for like 89, so it was a good sneaker, bro. Like, straight up. This was one of the ones that hoopers were really hooping in. You know, I feel like they need to retro all the models like this, man, especially for hooping heads like myself. Like this was one of the ones back in the day. Y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the T-Mac 2's Resta mod. Like I said, the T-Mac 2 might be the best T-Mac sneaker of all time. Like, I'm loving every detail about this. But I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll. We're gonna hop back in front of the camera and we're gonna end this thing, man. Now, like I said in the comment section below, y'all let me know how y'all feel about the T-Mac 2s. I know they're still available on Dick's Sporting Goods website. The black one is. I don't think the white one. I think the white ones only have a few sizes, and the white ones are going for a good little deal on StockX. But y'all know how I feel about StockX, man. Like that's killing the culture. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Y'all know I love to interact with y'all in the comment section anyway. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy, as always. Appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with me, man. I swear to God, it's love, man. We got the T-Mac 2s, Rustamod, and y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. With all this beef out here, throw some chicken grease on that thing. We gone.